my car, parking lot, beach bar, waiting on the sunrise. So I can see it on the brown hat. Spent a night on the beach, girl, I think I lost my key. Got a little bit of scent on her blue jeans. It wasn't a beer that I got us here. We must have talked all night. I didn't want to go home and it was all worthwhile. We sitting there, getting drunk on that sweet smile. Nights in the forget you didn't know me, and I didn't know you. You kept looking at me like, oh, just wanna stay up all night, like the way you were crashing. I'm running back up. You woke up in my car. 7 in the morning, Tim's knocking on the window. Says we're about to get home, telling us we gotta go now. Now my keys on the floor, we got away in the fall. We knew what we were doing it again. In the next beach town, top roll down, we must have kissed all day. I didn't wanna go home, all worthwhile. She's sitting there, getting drunk on that sweet smile. Last thing we forget, you didn't know me. And I didn't know you kept looking at me like, oh, just don't stay up all night. Like the way you were crashing and running back hard. When we woke up in my car. Didn't want to go home and it was more worthwhile. We sitting there, getting drunk on that sweet smile. Nights when you forget and you didn't know me, and I didn't know you. You kept looking at me like, oh, just wanna stay up all night, like the waves you were crashing in front of that bar. Till we woke up in my car. We woke up in my car. We woke up in my car.
Awesome.
Like
That was awesome.
No, but I wrote it with him.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
Oh, that's
It's like 8:30 at night, but it's like dark out. So did you have fun?
Yes.
This wasn't like, I think the only new one we went to was the hemp store, was a new one. But all the other ones are kind of just like,
Actually, no,
would-
because Blair Gifts and
yeah, Blair
Brick and
Gifts,
Mortar, I
Brick and
hadn't gone there
Mortar,
before.
OGPS. Evo, I'd like to go visit when I have a little bit more time. And went into the Hungry Ninja. I didn't get anything, I just wanted to see what the rest of the menu was like. So, yeah, so this is like a little miniature kind of video, I guess. So, yeah, awesome. I didn't catch that the last time, so I'll just pop in. Don't know if I'm gonna get anything, but let's go take a look. Fresh squeezed lemonade. Ooh, it looks so good. They do have macaroons. So yeah, that's what it looks like. Awesome. Hello. How are you? Leave, and I noticed by Monograms here and the yoga place that they have belly dancers. That's awesome. Tonight was a great night.